Good morning. Today I'm going to demonstrate how my new Ranger lift works. Right now I'm having coffee and my Corvette is up in the lift with the oil being changed. Draining very nicely. So without further ado, I'm going to finish my fucking coffee. Now as you can see, there's plenty of room for me to work under the car. As I'm doing right now. Oh yeah. As you can see, I've always been a clean advocate and also for disposing oil properly. Give a hoot. Don't pollute. So what I generally do, I drain the oil filter for a minute or less, throw it in the garbage. That way it goes to a landfill and pollutes our landfills. Now, I'm going to pour the drain oil in this bucket. Then when it gets dark out, I dump it in my neighbor's backyard. Controls the weeds. Always wipe the oil spout. I always put this alongside the garage, usually draining towards my neighbors. I put up against the fence so the oil drains from the bucket into the ground. That's why I keep weeds away from the fence. Works. Try it. Wait till it gets dark. I dump this. Now this is what this is all about. This is the controller that controls my Easy Lift here, or Quick Jack. It's on the safeties, so that means I have to raise it. Raise the safeties. Now I lower go. He pushed the button. One trick, make sure you don't kink your hoses. You don't want to do that. I'm going to figure out a fix on that. But that's how it works. Lower pressure all the way. Release. And you're done. Quick release. That's how you use the Quick Jack. Hope you enjoyed this short video. I'm not teaching anybody how to change your oil.